That man is so sinister. He lied to my little daughter and manipulated her.
He had told me that I was just like her daughter Pari.
He did all this on purpose, dear. He did it on purpose. Today also he let you know on purpose that he is your father.
So it means you didn't want to tell him even today?
No, dear, it's not like that. If you feel that I'm a liar, then go and ask your uncle and aunt, okay?
I want to speak with friend. Mom, I want to speak with friend. Give me the phone. Why is he not picking the call?
Let it be. He may be busy. He won't pick up the call.
Why?
How do I tell Pari that Yash won't receive my call now? He must be busy.
I will call him once more.
Listen, Pari, don't call him. Pari, please listen to me.
But I want to speak with friend.
Pari, I said don't speak.
I want to call him once.
I won't let you speak with him.
Mom!
Papa, are you busy?
What is it? Something special?
No, it's nothing special. I was actually here to thank you.
Thanks. For what?
Papa, you took initiative and sorted out your issues with Vishwajit. You came forward and spoke to him so that this issue gets sorted. He understood everything, that's why...
Enough now. I have done nothing great. And thing is that my mother-in-law scolded me. She opened my eyes. And that's why all this was possible.
Your mother-in-law?
Yes. The thing is that she came here that day. She screamed at me. She told me that. She showed me how I was wrong. She spoke in support of her husband. That mother-in-law.
Sorry, Papa. Actually,
Why sorry? I am speaking the truth. And if you had not come that day and said all that, then maybe I would not have thought like this, right?
Papa, shall I ask something?
Go ahead, ask.
Are you still angry over what I had told you that day?
Do you feel that?
No, I don't get anything.
No, I'm angry for sure. That's why I called you a mother-in-law in anger.
Right. I had felt that, Papa, that you would be angry. But Papa, what could I have also done? You tell me. That day Vishwajit drank again. And I had got so scared. I had felt that actually he had given up his bad habit just a while back. I feared that he will become addicted again. I got very scared, Papa. He was mumbling something under the influence of alcohol. I was clueless, so I came here and...
Mitra, I was angry on you because you told me very late. Maybe if I'd got angry at you 15 years back, then something different would have happened. It would have happened back. The issues and problems between me and Vishwadeen would have ended. But you suffered all this alone, Mithila. If you said that time itself, then things would have been different then.
Papa, I got scared. I felt that you would be still angry.
You returned back my last son to me after so many years. Why will I get angry on you? Tell me.
Papa, there is still something in my mind.
Tell me.
Once the doubt in Yash's mind gets cleared, Ever since he told that to Yash, Vishwajit has been getting lime candies for Yash since then. He feels that Yash's anger would have subsidized today at least. At least today he can speak with Yash. Maybe today he can give lime candies to Yash. He asks me on a daily basis, but Yash's anger is
He's not angry. Betrayal. The thing is that Vishwajit is a dear uncle. Yash is angry that he hid the truth from him. And he's angry on me too in a way. But I'll explain to him. I will make him understand. He cannot remain angry on his dear uncle for long. Right? Don't worry. Everything will turn out well.
Thank you, Papa. I will see you.
Enough. It's enough now. I will tell Yash sir and Grandpa right now that Neha is not at all fault in all this. She has been trapped.
Calm down a bit. Don't get angry or speak louder, people will listen. I understand your concern.
What is the use of that, sir?
I can understand that as well. But even with all that, how can you prove that Neha is innocent?
What? What is there to prove, sir? Neha is innocent and that's it. Don't you trust her?
I trust her 200%, but are things at a stage where it can be solved on the basis of trust? Right now, issues have reached a different level. I don't want anyone to put a wrong step forward, Shefali.
So she should suffer when she has not made a mistake.
Who said that Neha should suffer? But the situation is different now. Both are not ready to listen to each other. I'm saying that... Listen to me. I'm just saying that let's speak about this with Neha or Yash
Sir,
silently.
it will be too time consuming. Firstly, Neha is not saying anything. Sir, she won't express anger even if she has it in her heart. And she will keep quiet so that no one else faces any issue.
Fine. Then you tell me what to do. If you go and speak with Yash or Neha about this now, and they even get more angry, and if Yash decides to divorce Neha, then what will happen? What will you do? Then you will be responsible for all of this. Is that okay with you?
What are you saying, sir? Don't you even understand? Nothing of that sort will happen. Neha and Yash sir cannot get divorced.
I'm only saying that. That should not happen, and just so that it doesn't happen, you sit down calmly here. Listen to me. Please sit here.
"25 years. The fight which I had kept alive for 25 years was sorted out yesterday. 25 years. That old man and Vishwajit support Neha anyway. Now they both will explain her side to him, and on top of that, Mithila is also there. If Mithila takes the initiative, then these guys can bring Neha back to the palace. No, I don't want Neha back in this palace, and she should never return back in Yash's life too. I feel that Yash will fall apart only if Neha goes out of Yash's life forever. And if Yash falls apart once, then I can easily get things done. From him easily. It won't matter even if anyone comes in between. Yes, yes, yes. I told you not to call me.
I have called to give you one good news. Simmi ma'am.
What happened?
Guess it.
Hey, don't do time pass. Tell me whatever you want to say fast.
Hey ma'am, at least take one chance or say pass.
Forget about it. Don't call me again.
Hello. Hello ma'am. Don't get angry. Listen to me. Pari found out that I am her real father.
So what?
So what? This is a good news.
How is it useful to me?
How is it not useful? Pari loves me very much. I mean, she loves her real father very much. Neha cannot ignore me anymore. Pari will become desperate for her father. And Neha will give her daughter what she wants, seeing her in pain. Pari will need her real father.
You will get rupees 2.5 million soon.
Oh wow, rupees 2.5 million for such a small news.
Eh, the money is not for the news. The money is for the work you will do now.
What work now?
Neha should be your now no matter what. Are you paying attention? The chapter named Yash should be removed from Neha's life forever. That Pari, she is your daughter. Use her. She lived without a father all these years. She's dying for you. Use her. Do anything. But Neha should feel helpless in front of Pari. Neha should agree to everything what you say. Do you get me?
Don't worry, Simmi ma'am. Don't worry at all. Now forget about Yash. Even if his father comes here, still he won't be able to stop me.
Neha, dear, will you speak up? Will you say something? Did anyone tell you anything? Lord also tests people a lot. Trouble comes from all directions. One feels confused as how to fight it. Look, we cannot reduce your pain, but at least we can support you. We can see if we can find some way. But dear, you will have to tell me what has happened. Okay? Did Yash say anything? Did his family... Then did anyone from our locality say anything? What happened, Neha?
He was here, Aunt.
Who? Avinash?
Aunt, he was here and I had decided to shoot his confession video. Yes?
Huh? What is it, Neha? What are you asking from Almighty?
No, it's nothing that...
Fine. Tell me what you want to say.
no, I'm a bit worried. I'm a bit worried about Pari.
What do you want to hear? Tell me, what do you want to hear? That I lied? Alright. I lied that day in front of everyone. I accused you of unwanted things. I blamed you. I blamed you for everything. I tried to act as a gentleman in front of the Chaudhary family. I did. But I'm not that innocent to go and stand in front of them and say that all of that was a lie. That is all. You are recording this?
Huh?
You are trying to fool me by sweet talking to me? I will show you right now.
Give me my phone.
Wait.
Avinash, phone.
Wait.
Please don't delete that. Avinash.
It's deleted. Pari? Hey, Pari dear. Why, Neha?
Mom?
Why don't you tell her that I am her real father, Neha? Tell her, Neha. Tell her that I am her real father. Tell her that her driver uncle is her real father.
My goodness. That sinister man spoke all of this in front of the
Everything is over, it seems, Aunt. Pari is not at all speaking with me.
My goodness. That crooked man spoke all this in front of her.
Everything is over, it seems, Aunt. Pari is not at all speaking with me.
How is she wrong, dear? Such a big issue unfolded in front of her like this. She would be so shocked. She would have felt very angry that my own mother hid such a big matter and truth from me. She would have felt this, right? Papa, she never had anyone in her life to call her dad. She was very close to her driver uncle. But now she will take time to digest all this. this is such a big shock to her, then just think what would have happened to such a small girl.
Yes, I really didn't realize it, Aunt. Pari was in front of me. I mean, I was shocked. I don't know what was Avinash speaking. I really don't know what he would have spoken. I was just looking at Pari and she was looking at me, Aunt. And when I went to tell her that it is really not my mistake, dear, that time, she didn't trust me at all, Aunt. Since all that happened, my Pari has been angry at me, Aunt.
Give her some time to calm down. And Neha, you give her that much time. Actually, things are difficult nowadays. We should handle things carefully. I can understand, Neha. You're fighting from all the fronts. I can see how much stressed you are. But still, I will tell you something. Don't get angry on Pari. Hey, she's also fighting as per her age. She needs your support. I say that sort out things with as much love as you can. Tell her to help you with small things. Tell her everything, like she can understand. Or ask her opinion about doing something. So she will realize that she is also very important to you. Neha, dear, you both need each other's support right now.
Yes, Aunt. I understand. I will speak with Pari.
Hello.
Hello, friend.
Dear, it's you. You're crying? What's happened?
Friend, I don't like mom.
What happened, dear?
She is a very big liar.
Mom is a liar? No, dear. Don't speak like that about mom.
But she is like that. She lied to me. Also, mom had said that dads are very bad. But driver uncle is not bad. Why did she not tell me all these years? Why did she not let me play with driver uncle? She didn't let him come in. Mom is bad.
You're a strong girl, right? And do strong girls cry? No, right?
No, I don't cry even when taking the injection. But friend, he is my father.
Look, dear, if you cry, then I'll feel bad. Is that okay with you?
No.
Huh?
I won't cry.
Good.
Friend, did you know that driver uncle is my real dad?
Yes.
But why didn't you tell me, friend? Dads are good. I like dads. Why did you not tell me that I have a dad of my own?
Pari.
You're my friend, but you still listen to her.
Pari.
Now I won't speak to you. You're no longer my friend.
Pari, hello. Hello.
Give me the injection fast. Why do you cry daily, Mom? The injection is so small. You are the mother of a strong girl, right? I want the helicopter and I want it right now.
Yes, dear, I will give you. I had to reach early for your birthday, right? I would have been late if I had come by road. That's why I came in the helicopter. That too flying, understood? My goodness, the dish got burnt. I had made sangra dish for Pari. I made it since she likes it. Why is this happening, Almighty? Why am I behaving like this with Pari? I should tell Yash that Pari has found out everything about Avinash. But how do I speak with Yash? If I talk about Avinash with him again, then he will get angry. Almighty, please show some mercy on me now. Pari is in pain, Lord. I really don't know what to do.